Hi, love! First, happy 50th birthday. Every time na may occasion na dadating, gusto ko, mapaparamdam ko sa'yo what love is talaga. This time, sabi ko, gusto ko makita mo, magkasama-sama yung friends mo, yung family mo, office mates mo, lahat sa iisang lugar. And makita mo kung gaano kadami ang nagmamahal, sumusuporta sa'yo.
So as you celebrate your 50th birthday, sabi nga nila, the new 40 now is 50. And there is also a saying that life begins at 40.
I honor you for being a good father. Nakakatuwa.
Last birthday, I just wish you, wala na eh. Everything is there. You're so blessed to have your family. You have your kids with you. You have your family that surrounds you. Just a perfect health, a very long life to go. Just take care of yourself always.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I hope this is a memorable occasion for you. And I wish you have fun memories. To be honest, I really helped preparing this. And I was really excited. Thank you, Daddy. Happy birthday.
We don't see each other that often, but every time we do, it always feels like high school was just yesterday. Today is a celebration not just for your age, but of the life you built and the people you've touched and the memories you created along the way. I'm so glad to be here celebrating this special moment with you, wishing you even more success, happiness, and wonderful milestone in the years ahead.
Happy 50th birthday. Golden boy ka na. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday. It's an honor to celebrate your 50. Handa mo na.
Nagkakilala kami ni Rob actually sa cruise. Nakukuha niya yung attention ko. Nagulat ako kasi kasama ko pala siya sa team. Since then, everyday nung tour namin, magkasama na kami sa cruise. Hanggang pagdating ng Manila, continuous na nagkita na kami. Habang tumatagal na nagkikita kami, may effort siyang ginagawa. So hanggang naging kami na. Tapos hindi ko akalain na, tatagal kami ng ganito. Tapos magkakaroon na kami ng kids.
Thank you very much, love ko. Without you, siguro, this would not be possible. Thank you very much.
3, 2, 1. Okay, go po.
Hi, RG and Alea, wishing you all the best. I hope that this mark your first and big milestone to your future. I hope God bless you all and best of luck. Thank you.
Parang nagtatampo ka na daw kahapon kay AM eh. Hindi ka daw kasi masyado pinapansin. Dahil ina-arrange nga na itong surprise party sa'yo. I'm thankful na I'm part of your life. I am being one of your friend and got invited here and to witness this pare. Congratulations sa inyo and best wishes sa inyo ni AM.
Sabi ko, pupunta tayo sa birthday ni Rob, Sabi niya, sige, titignan ko kasi may deployment pa ako. Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, hindi punta tayo, Papa, kasi important yung 50th birthday. Sabi niya, 50th birthday na yun? Akala ko mas matanda ako kay Rob.
It's really hard for me to imagine na mas matanda ka sa akin. When we first met, akala ko, I'm older than you. And sabi niya kasi 50th, and I know 50th birthday is something that is really worth celebrating with families and loved ones.
In fairness, I did not think you were 50 when we first met. Congrats on your awesome genetics. I want to congratulate you and Am for an awesome job. I wish you all the best for your birthday. You have a beautiful family.
May God shower you with happiness and blessing.
Happy birthday! I wish you more birthdays to come. Good health, happiness, love, and peace sa inyo ni Ian.
I just wanna say happy birthday. Happy 5th anniversary din. Wish ko lang sa inyo next time, kasal na, di ba?
Blessed years. Lagi nating lalagay si God sa center ng ating buhay, no? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you again.
Open your eyes.
Without her, wala po tayo. So, I wishes all the best sa kanya to all her trips abroad and also, syempre, yung health niya. Gusto syempre namin madagdagan pa ng additional 20 to 30 years.
Good partner ka, good provider, good father, and alam ko na you really have a clean heart. And ramdam na ramdam ko din na yung love na meron ka for me. So this time, 50th birthday mo, I'm praying, no, na umabot tayo, if God's willing, up to 100 years old talaga. Para mas matagal ko mapakita sa'yo yung love na meron ako and masarap mabuhay, lalo na pag may taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Happy ako na ikaw yung partner ko. Happy ako na ikaw yung father ng mga bata. Sana mas maging strong yung relationship natin. And of course, with God in the center sa relationship natin. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much, love. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Ron!
Happy birthday, Daddy. I hope you have a great life. Stay great. I love you so much. I hope you have a good relationship with my mama.
Place and time, yours and mine.
My 3 wishes for my dad are having him a long-lasting life, and second is for his birthday celebration, making him really happy. I wish my dad will have a big workshop and a bank.
Every bend in the road is a paradise to see. A special kind.
Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. As your son, I really love you. As well, I wish you have a long-lasting life and have a great day. I wish you love us every day, and I wish you love our mom every day as well. Love you.
Thank you for coming. All my loved ones are here. That's why we're very happy. I hope to live more, another 50. Okay, so that we can celebrate another. I hope to live more, another 50.